Hey guys, my name is Ogo and welcome back to my diary. Today I'll be making a homemade tea, guys. And yes, everybody can actually make homemade tea in the comfort of their homes, guys. I still have tea bags, but I can't remember when last I used that because, yeah, when I can buy natural dry herbs and then cook it up and make my own personal homemade tea, tweak it the way I want to tweak it, add the things I want to add, and subtract the things I don't want to add to it. You get so. Without further ado, guys, let me introduce you to the things I'm going to be using for my herbal tea. These are all the things you use on daily basis, guys. Everybody knows about all these things I'm about to mention now. Trust me, you can do this in your own home, in your kitchen, guys. Okay? Maybe you even have all these things already kept in your kitchen, so it's just left for you to do it. Here, number one is cinnamon. I know you all know about cinnamon, guys. This is cinnamon, and I know most of you have the cinnamon in your cupboards. I know that almost everybody have this. So you see, you have it. So this one is cinnamon. Um, I just cut. This is kind of like one third of the length of the stick. So this is just one third of the stick. I just had to cut it. Okay, for 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water. This is what you should use, guys. This is cloves. This is like 12 in number. I don't think it's more than 12 in number. Okay, this is 12 in number, cloves. This is ginger. I like me some ginger, so you can use as much as you can. Like you can use as much as you can actually, but yeah, use a quantity that is reasonable. I'm not saying you should go and put like everything, like you know what I mean. So use the quantity that is reasonable. Me, I like me some ginger, so I added this quantity of ginger. You can add more or you can add little. Okay, based on your preference. So this is lemon. You can add lemon. You can add lime. Lime is stronger than lemon, so if you're adding lime, it has to be like a little quantity, you know. But yeah, it still all depends on you. So I'm using lemon for this, and this is half a lemon, and the half a lemon I had to cut it into four, so that yeah, you can still put the half like that, and you can still decide to chop the lemon into four. You get for a better and quicker cook. Okay. And lastly, I'm just gonna add like few of this hibiscus, okay? Not just for color, okay, partly for color and for what it gives in the body. So later I'm still gonna explain the benefits of all these things, but now I'm just introducing you to the ingredients I'm gonna use for my herbal tea. These are the ingredients I'm gonna be using for 4 cups of tea. So that means I'm gonna be adding four and 4.5 cups of water, because half cup is just for the cooking, and when you're draining it, it's going to absorb more water, you get, and the water that it will use in boiling. So if you remove all those things, let me just say like half a cup, at the end of the day you're getting your total 4 cups of water. You understand the maths? Is it mathing? Yeah. Okay, now let's go straight in and start making our herbal tea. What am I going to say? What can you use with this? What can you eat with this? Personally, this morning I just want to make my toasted bread. No, I'm not toasting any bread actually. I'm just going to make my burger, homemade burger. I'm just going to use a burger bread and then fry egg, and then eat it with it basically. You can use honey as sweetener. You can use any sweetener of your choice. You can use guys, shit. This is honey, guys. This is so heavy. This is honey, so I'm gonna be using honey for it. I actually prefer using honey for it. You can use any kind of sweetener of your choice. I have sugarcane sugar. Basically, it comes in brown and non-brown. This is a brown sugar or sugarcane sugar, okay? So you can use any sort of sweetener of your choice, okay? Depends on your health condition, guys. If you have any health condition, please do not use sugar for it. Just make it and then drink it like that. It's already sweet on its own. Okay, it's already sweet on its own. So yeah, adding this is just an added bonus. Trust me. So without further ado, guys, let's just go straight to the point. Now, feel free to start adding in no particular order, but for me, I'm just going to start with cinnamon. Cinnamon has an anti-inflammatory properties. It's an antioxidant and it helps also to reduce bloating or gas in your stomach. Just like cloves, it's also good for the guts. It's a natural painkiller, so it's kind of like an analgesic, mild one. It's rich in antioxidants and it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So it's very good, quite good actually. In as much as we use ginger every day, some of us don't actually know the health benefits of ginger. So ginger serves as an analgesic, so it's a natural painkiller. It supports the immune system, it's good for digestive health, and it has the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. I know we all know about the lemon, yeah, but I'm still going to say it again. Lemon is very good and it's very, very rich in vitamin C. Very, very rich in vitamin C, guys. It's a very good detoxifier. Therefore, it is very good for your liver health. All right. So if you want to do detox, then inculcate it. It's good for your digestive system because it aids in digestion. I know that a lot of us in Nigeria that drinks zobo doesn't even know that that leaf that they use in making the zobo is called the hibiscus flower. Yeah, a lot of us don't know about it. But let me just talk about the health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, has some antimicrobial properties, good for your heart health because it has the tendency of regulating your blood pressure and it's also good for your digestive system. So you see, very nice. Guys, this drink offers a very powerful blend of health boosting properties from supporting digestion and immune health to reducing inflammation and providing antioxidant protection. Now, drinking it regularly could have a very positive impact on your overall well being, especially if you're looking for a natural remedy for digestive issues or something that has to do with your immunity, like boosting your immune system and even reducing inflammation and also bloating. First, put it on high heat, and once it starts boiling, then reduce the lights and then let it boil for extra 15 minutes. Then you put it down. Once you put it down, you have to sieve it. You get, of course, you have to sieve it. Then, after sieving it, now you can decide to add your sweetener. Preferably, you can use honey. Preferably, you use honey. Personally, I use honey. But if you don't want to use honey, you can use any other kind of sweetener, maybe your sugarcane sugar or any other type of sugar, brown sugar, however you want to do it. You can then sweeten it, or you take it like that, especially when you have a health condition like diabetes or any other health condition that prohibits you from taking sugar. Okay, but if you know you're free from such, you can sweeten it with any kind of sweetener of your choice. So yeah, and lest I forget, I did not even say anything about the health benefits of honey. It's actually a very good antioxidant. It has some antibacterial properties and it's very, very soothing. You get, sometimes if you have cough like this, they can tell you to, oh, take a spoon of honey and drink because it's very soothing to your throat. It is very, very soothing. It's very, very good for cough. Okay, so because it has some antibacterial properties and it even has some anti-inflammatory properties also. So it boosts the energy, of course, because of the sugar in it. So here I am preparing my homemade burger that I'm gonna use to like take my tea. So if you hear me say talking about tea, that is what I take. I don't take the traditional Nigerian kind of tea where you put chocolates and you put milk. No, I don't drink that. I don't drink that. I can't remember when last I drank that. I can't remember how many years ago I took that last, guys. And meanwhile, I used to buy tea bags. I used to buy tea bags, but at the point I was like, man, I can actually buy all these things and make any herbal tea of my choice. All right. So yeah, since I started making my own herbal tea from the scratch, I started enjoying herbal teas, guys. I started enjoying it. So yeah, that's by the way. So this is my breakfast, guys. I think this is 2 eggs and then my burger bread. So yeah, you see it's boiling and yeah, so this is the end result. I've actually sieved it. I decided to leave few ginger inside it. So yeah, I decided to leave few. That's just the end result. This tea is very, 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 very addictive, guys. This tea is very, 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 guys, very addictive. If you start taking this tea, you will keep taking this tea, guys. Trust me. Trust me. It's going to improve your overall health. So if you want to know my other favorite kind of herbal tea, let me know. Then I'll drop the recipe and yeah, that's just it, guys. So all that being said, guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this my channel, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the post notification bell so that when next I drop another video, YouTube will notify you guys. So finally, you're seeing the end result and I hope you like it. Bye.